Hey Flossie, what says ho ho whoosh, ho ho whoosh?
I don't know, Boo.
Father Christmas in a revolving door.
Oh. Hello everyone, it's us, Flossie
And Boo.
and we have a really exciting announcement for you all.
This December, we will be releasing our special Flossy and Boo Festive Adventures activity packs.
Filled with fun, crafts and activities for all the family.
For more information on how you can get your digital pack, please visit the Welfare website. The link's in the description.
And if you live in Rhagfyr, then we will be releasing information soon about how you can pick up a printed copy.
So grab your blankets, find your torch,
And get ready for Flossy and Boo, the Festive Adventures activity packs.